Okay, hi guys, welcome back. Yay, this is another package, but this is very slithery small. Like, it's just so flat. So let's see what it has. Oh yeah, these are free gifted items that they gave me, so these I actually chose as well though. So yay, it's so excited because these are limited edition, I think, so I'm glad I got to get these for free. I think talking is making me cough. Okay, so, and I was feeling better. I was like, I think I don't have it anymore, but I'm not sure. So no, I think I'm sick. So anyway, so look how cool. It's like a cool bustier. Reminds me of Selena, her rhinestone bra she would wear, like that. So pretty. Wow, and it's black with clear rhinestones, and it's mesh, so you can see everything. Basically, you just have to wear like a nipple pad, cover up, or what's those called? I don't know. I guess nipple cover up. I don't. And it's a bralette version, so it comes clipped, and it's in the size medium, so I like that it's skinny. So, and these type of bras they have are so comfortable. They're nice. They're bralettes. So I just had to get it. I think they also had the matching underwear. I'm not sure, but I was like, I just need another bra. I couldn't decide because they had a lot of cute stuff. They had a lot of free options I could choose, but I was like, I'm just gonna get the stuff that are limited edition and that I don't see on the website that I can go buy, because this was from months ago. This collection was their precious metal collection, and I remember they made me choose 2 gifted free items, right? And I could only get one for some reason by accident, and I wanted to go back and I couldn't get another second pair. And I emailed them and they never reached out back to me, so I was like, what the heck? So I was like, I guess whatever. So I'm just gonna, and then when I saw these gifted items, I saw the missing bra that I was gonna get that I couldn't get at the time. I was like, oh yeah, I'm gonna take advantage, right? But I was like, never mind, it's not that cute. Because then I saw this and other stuff, so I was like, you know what, forget the other one, I'm just gonna get this one. And this, you can wear it with everything, with any type of bottom, even if it doesn't have rhinestones. I was like, oh well, it's whatever. So, as well as the other thing I'm gonna show you. So yeah, this is one of my favorite bras from them. It looks very cool, and I think you can perform in this. I might think like I'm gonna be a performer, but like it's cool to dream, you know. Or to model, like a photo shoot, or oh, like another good part. Like I say in all my videos, I try to put the codes underneath, or you can use my discount code. It's Natyourusual, and you save 20% off your orders. So, and they still have lightning sale going on. I think they still have Black Friday sale going on, or Cyber Monday, I think, because in their website I tried to scroll and see what they have, and I think they still have the tab where you can buy stuff on sale that I unboxed. I think if your size is still there, I don't freaking know. But anyways, this is another bralette. I was like, I just had to get it, and they had the matching underwear. I was like, let me just take this off and get this one with the matching underwear, but I was like, no, I just couldn't leave this behind. I was like, I just need to get it. So it's another type of bralette. So look, it's so pretty. It's like a space print. I don't know how to call it. It reminds me of a lava lamp too. Look, it looks cool. I just like the design. It reminds me of space, and I think this is in from the same collection as this one, if I'm not mistaken. I don't know, but and this is not sold on their website anymore either. So I was like, I checked and it was limited edition. That's why this one, I think this one too, not sure. But so I'm like so glad I got it. So This is mesh and see-through as well, but it's white inside. Look, this is why you have to use something to cover up if you don't want to show your nipples, if you use this outside or for a shoot or something. So, oh, and look at the lace. It's not lace, it's a black, not mesh, what's this called, band. But this comes with a lot of details, so like, I just love this print. It looks pretty, and this one too, obviously. So you can never have too many bras or underwears. So I'm like, yes, I'm happy I got these. So I think these are my favorite bras from them. The design, the color, I don't know. So yeah, that's basically it for this unboxing. It's very small. I just got 2 free items that I chose. So yeah, if you want something from them, from their website, you have to get it because it's gone. They're not gonna sell it, they're not gonna restock it. Maybe some things, but not most of the things. Like these, you can't buy it anymore. I don't think it's on their website. I mean, you can still check, but it's those kind of things that you have to be like in their parade friends or gold for them to send you gifting invites, like myself, or maybe in a free mystery pair they send it to me. It's basically kind of like an exclusive brand, like only certain people can get certain stuff. That's kind of how it feels like. But yeah, you just have to be fast and quick when you buy things. If you want it, you have to save it in the cart or just buy it like that, because then you're not gonna be able to get it, and then you're gonna be like me and I'm like, no, I wish I would have gotten it. And I hate that feeling, you know, the regret feeling. So, you know, just heads up in case you see something that I unbox that you want, go real quick and get it and see if you can buy it, because some stuff are not gonna be on sale. But that's why you can use my code, so you can save more money. You know, you can just get like 1 or 2 things. You don't have to go crazy like me. I love shopping, so yeah, obviously I can't control myself. But yeah, that's pretty much for this unboxing. So I'm gonna end it here, but I'm gonna open another parade unboxing. I know you can tell I haven't done anything for like a week or so, so everything's bunched up, but anyway. So okay, thanks for watching, bye.